Okay, this is what you get after making payment. 20 DIY recipes that you can start immediately. Is a table of content. From the introduction, we have chapter 1, that's about soap and detergent making. Chapter 2, homemade snacks for business. 3, perfume oil and air freshener production. 4, food drink and zobo. 5, peanut burger popcorn production. 6, homemade hair cream and body cream. 7, yogurts and ice cream. Until 10, which is bread and meat pie baking. It is well structured. Like for soap and detergent production, we first of all list the ingredient and tools needed and the quantity, then move forward to telling you how to do it step by step, and this is what you should expect: 20 bars at the end. If you use the measurements provided, we move to liquid soap, the same thing, and it goes down to every other thing, your sausage roll, everything. But if you want to make it in smaller batches or in larger batches, we have the scaling part, which is at the end of this ebook, which you can scale to whatever level. This is the scaling method, and it is broken down how to develop your scaling formula and how to apply them step by step. Is well detailed. It's just for you to get it. Start production. You can produce for personal use, for home use, or for commercial use. Don't miss this opportunity. It's well packed for you. Get it today.